In this video, we will show you how to change the rear bumper cover reflector on your Jeep Grand Cherokee. You can find it on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Protect the area around with adhesive tape to prevent any scratching. Using a car trim removal tool, pry along the edge of the reflector to remove it. Then remove it. You can order the rear bumper cover reflector used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new reflector. Pay attention to the pins which allows it to be correctly positioned. Then reattach it back in the rear bumper cover. Remove the adhesive. Operation complete.
Quality parts, priced right.